Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy, MD, JD. Today's class was got a recall of Dr. Levy's journey with COVID and recovery and discovery, which I think is wonderful. So if somebody were to ask you today, what was our classroom about, Dr. Levy, what would you say it was about?
Well, as you said, it was about my journey with COVID, the multiple different symptoms, the loss of taste, the horrible energy, dry mouth, all sort of things that were extremely debilitating. But with the help of my colleague, Dr. Ron Honeyhackey, we sort of discussed and went through a bunch of things. I had recently written an article on the synergism between vitamin C and cortisol, the natural hydrocortisone that your body makes to deal with stress and infection. Mm-hmm. And then, as it turned out, using combinations of hydrocortisone and the vitamin C taken at the same time not only completely got me out of my COVID very promptly after I started doing it, it actually restored my health to a level that it hasn't been in 30 or 40 years. And it's literally eliminated, and the detail is in the show, problems that I've had for 60 out of 70 years of my life.
Wow. Amazing. What a blessing that you got COVID so that you're blessing all of us with this information. I want all of you to go to my BitChute and Odyssey account. All you have to do is go to whenyouneedafriend.com and you can click on the little buttons so that you can watch the entire class. I mean, Dr. Levy answered everybody's questions. There's so much fear and myths about this condition that needs not to be. And so, Dr. Levy, thank you so much for today, for going over everybody's questions as well. And I also want to thank you for being brave enough to write an article, and the article will be in the description in this video so that you can click on it and educate yourself as well. And also, for those of you who haven't registered yet, why not? Dr. Thomas Levy is doing the Roadmap to Health workshop. It's a virtual workshop, so you can attend from anywhere around the world on February 6th. It's a Sunday, February 6th, from noon to 6 p.m. Eastern time, where Dr. Levy is not only going to share about his journey and discovery, that just recent discovery with hydrocortisone, and helping him feel phenomenal, as he says, in the last, 70 years, 60 years, you said, that you feel the best that you've ever felt. But he's also going to talk about other protocols like peroxide, vitamin C, the mouth, and the different things that we can look at. Is there anything else that you're going to be talking about in the workshop that would make it so that whether you're a layperson or a professional, you would want to attend?
Well, not in particular. I do, for people who are more scientific, more motivated, for the physicians and other healthcare practitioners that might be attending. There's a slew of references, but it's simple. All I have are numbers, okay? And so you go to the PubMed website, put in the number, and then you'll immediately go to an abstract or entire article that documents where that particular fact came from. Yes. So most of my stuff comes directly from the literature, and there are times when I put together my clinical experience and what I've seen in the literature and promote something in such a fashion to say, when you put all this together, it's my opinion that, and I qualify it in that manner. So, but everything is accountable for. So it's not really just stuff that I've pulled out of thin air. Sometimes I do pull something out of thin air, but then I go to the literature and document that it's true.
That's right. Absolutely. And when you register for Roadmap to Health, then you get 5 of Dr. Levy's ebooks. sent to you for free. That is a gift from Dr. Levy. And so please consider joining us on February 6th so that you can have the opportunity to ask your questions as well to Dr. Thomas Levy and start your roadmap to health, because one size does not fit all, right, Dr. Levy?
No doubt about it. I mean, the human body is very complex. There's lots of things that are common to everybody and lots of things that aren't.
Well, I'm excited to start this protocol with hydrocortisone, as well as my water picking. I've changed. My whole life has changed because of you, and I want to thank you. And I'm looking forward to you helping so many others through the roadmap to health, so that we document it and people will have it to watch over and over and over again, because it is amazing how many things Dr. Levy says that you have to listen to it several times before you finally understand. So that's what I love about the roadmap for health. It's going to be recorded so that you can answer these questions for you. And go back and check out whenyouneedafriend.com. Like I said, please subscribe and follow and share this video with as many people that that you know that would like to take their health back. So thank you, Dr. Levy, for everything you do. And thank you for being in the classroom today.
Thank you for your assistance in all of this, Lily. It's important getting the word out. That's the whole point.
And I am excited.
Discovery and new information means nothing if you can't get it to other people to work with it and use it. So
well, we're taking all the information out of your head and all the books that you've written and get it into the hands of the people. So I am grateful to be a part of that. So go ahead and just remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott and Dr. Thomas Levy, MD-JD, wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever.